Today, we are here in New York City during the United Nations General Assembly, focusing on our members and organizations who are working on SDG-related initiatives and projects. The UN SDGs are very important to certain goals related around key societal problems. There are many different SDGs, and our community helped to support using the latest technological tools, including blockchain and digital assets, to support advancing and solving those SDGs.
SDG 4 is all about us, lifelong learning, access to quality education, and really using technology to improve learning experiences and outcomes.
A lot of what we are doing is supporting the Sustainable Development Goals in terms of privacy preserving, accessibility, technology, innovation, and the Project Credible itself is designated as a digital public good. And it's all about making trust infrastructure accessible, especially for underserved communities.
We have first implemented the solution based on blockchain, on biometrics, facial recognition, and geolocalization. In 2023, we have upgraded and enhanced the application with the use of artificial intelligence to prevent and detect potential deepfakes.
I think it's important what GBBC is doing by bringing all of these different stakeholders, both private sector actors, public sector officials, together to have these important conversations about a broader perspective on the role that each of our companies can play in advancing these goals.
You need innovators to come to the table, and that is what GBBC does in this forum. Bringing the innovators, bringing the financiers, bringing the people that benefit from this to the table to form those new kind of partnerships, because partnerships is the only way we can move pilots into sustainable digital ecosystems.
The Global Blockchain Business Council has been for almost a decade, really convening policymakers and people in the blockchain space to talk about the ways that this technology can be used to further humanity.
There's a couple of reasons we want to work with GBBC. They're a very well-known global institution that's committed to open source standards, that's committed to bringing the ecosystem, or the business community, the education community, the nonprofit community together in some of the most valuable forums that we've been part of.
GBBC and the team have brought together an incredible group of global leaders. They do more for the industry on a daily basis than I have seen most groups be able to deliver in a year.
It's community. It brings people together. It allows people to exchange ideas, to brainstorm, to develop new ideas. And so through that process, it is very important to bring people involved in blockchain together in order to share experiences, and everybody leaves with a fresh mind until we meet again.